Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this nice summery bright marble look, please stay tuned. So guys, we're going to start off with my nails already prepped. I did do some cuticle cleanup and a little bit of shaping, but you guys know I use a peel-off base, so I don't fully prep my nails. But I go in with this peel-off base by Makartt, so as soon as I'm done with the nails, I pop them off so I can get ready for some more content for you guys. And if these turn out really cute to me, I might wear them for one day, but I'm gonna still pop them off. We're gonna go in with Makartt's nail pump ups in the shape stiletto. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these prepared for me. Actually, it's no preparation because I'm not keeping them on. Usually you'll go in and etch the nail bed area so this can adhere to your nails just a little bit longer and makes your manicure last a little bit longer. But since I'm popping them off, I can totally skip that step. We are going to go in with this Tipex Instant Gel Nail Glue. This is my favorite so far, so I'm going to use it. I kind of, if it ain't broke, don't fix it type of person. So we're going to use this to adhere the nail tips to my nails. We're gonna use this lamp that I got from Temu, you guys. I wanted to get another brand, but I just could not spend $80. I just couldn't do it. So this was literally under $7, and as you can see here, it does have a sensor, so you can easily just bring your nail up to it and it will, like it just did, turn on. Hands-free, hassle-free. That's what I have to say about that. And I'm gonna use this $6 lamp until it breaks. And this is just a flash curing lamp, you guys. This is not how I'm gonna cure my nails. This is just flash curing. So I'm showing you here how normally you would go in and just etch out the inside of the nail tips for a better lasting manicure, but we're not going to do this. When you put the nail glue in here, you guys just have to judge. You want to put enough for your nail bed. So if you got longer nail beds, you're going to put more. If you got smaller nail beds like mine, you're gonna put less. So this is gonna be in your judgment. Like, it's just, you're just gonna have to practice. Practice makes perfect. With this, I still mess up. I still don't put the right amount of gel in and have spillage, and at that point you just gotta file and try again next time. So I'm going to let this play through and I'll pop back in a little bit. Time to give these nails a full 60 seconds curing a big lamp, and we're going to get right into filing. So as you see here, I have just a little bit of spillage. I'm going to take this cuticle file and get that nail glue off, and you can see when you file it off with the Tipex nail glue, it kind of just crumbles off, and that's why I like it. And you can see it does not put indents in the nail. These nails are great. They don't indent when you file on top of them. Not saying you can file very hard on top of them. I am using a light hand approach. I'm not pushing down. I'm just simply letting the file glide on top of them. And guys, we're all done with filing. I just love them. They're so nice and clear. And look, right at the end of the nail bed, there's not a lot of like spillage over right where the arrow is pointing, and my middle finger is crooked, but oh well, you know, I'm taking these off anyway. Otherwise I would have to take these off and start all over again. But we're going to get right into shaping a little bit, and then we're going to get right into the actual painting of the nails. So again, I'm gonna let this play through and I'll see you in a little bit. If you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like button, share this video, and please join the family, you guys. All right, So I already got my nails buffed out. As you can see, that's why they look like they're matte. They're not matte, they're just buffed out. And we're gonna go in with this base coat. I buffed the nails to allow the base coat to stick to the nails, and the base coat allows the gel polish to stick to it. So I always go in with the base coat. I never skip this step here. So you'll see me go ahead and do a thin layer on each nail, and then we will continue with the nail art. So now we're going to do 2 coats of this nude. I got this from Amazon. I'm sorry you guys, I don't have too much information about this gel polish, but it's my favorite nude color actually. And all I can say is I got it off Amazon. I'm gonna look for it and link it in my Amazon storefront that I will have listed below. So with this nail art design, I decided to do something like a blooming effect. I don't want to really say marble because it really don't look marble to me, but it's definitely blooming because I use this Mia Secret blooming gel, and I've had much success with this blooming gel. These 3 colors here I got from Temu. I'm going to use these colors. I want like a summery, bright marble type of art. We're kind of winging it. I don't have an inspiration picture. I'm just going to go with whatever happens, okay? So I decided not to go with that original pink I had from Temu, and we're going to use this Madam's Glam, and this is Barbie's Girl. I like this pink a little bit better. That other pink was just too soft, and I needed a more pungent type pink, and this is perfect for that. I felt like this design needed one more color, so I am going to be using this orange from Madame Glam's. It's called Sunset in Hawaii, and it's a beautiful sunset type of orange, and it was just perfect for what I was imagining in my head. I'm really not going to do too much talking through this because I have tons of marble tutorials on my page, so you can check out any of those videos, but we're just going to get started with the nail art. I'm going to let this play through and I'll hop back on a little bit later. For you shiny top coat girls, this is what this nail looked like shiny, but I will be putting matte top coat on the rest of the nails. I just wanted to do a complete nail first to make sure this design actually looked right, and I like it.